The first big brother of the folding screen Samsung Galaxy Fold series has recently is in several news. According to information brought by netizens, Samsung's latest top folding screen Galaxy Z Fold 3 material is now in the production line. The Chinese version of the model SMF9260, which is also certified on 3C certification. In terms of specific configuration, the battery uses a 2215 mAh plus 2060 mAh dual-cell solution, rated capacity of 4275 mAh. This figure is smaller than the capacity of the previous generation, presumably because the shape of the product has changed, thus compressing the internal space. According to this news, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 launch time will be earlier than last year, is expected to be officially unveiled before July. It will still use the left and right folding while having a 6.23-inch external screen and 7.56-inch internal screen, and the internal screen will use under-screen camera technology. The machine will also become the world's first folding screen flagship phone with an under-display camera. The screen is nothing to say, is still Samsung's top screen, and the refresh rate will also support LTPO. Although the battery of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 has been reduced, with the LTPO screen, the machine can achieve a refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz intelligent adjustment function. In daily use can greatly reduce the power consumption of the screen, to optimize the whole machine life performance. It is worthwhile to integrate. There is previously revealed that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be equipped with a new generation of UTG glass technology, can bring higher durability and flatness. And glass thickness has been improved, Mohs hardness can be up to 5, can easily cope with S-Pen writing. Besides, Samsung previously applied for a trademark called Armor Frame, which is expected to bring a more robust frame for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 2. Furthermore, according to SamMobile, Samsung's next generation of 2 folding screen phones will have IP ratings, that is, dust and water resistance rating. But the specific rating level is currently unknown. According to the tipster Ice Universe, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 processor information is top secret, which means Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 will not use Exynos 2100 or Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. According to this speculation, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 may use Qualcomm's new generation flagship processor Snapdragon 888 Plus, or Exynos 9925, the latter expected to integrate AMD GPU. Reports say Samsung is expected to release a new GPU in June, and the Exynos chip with integrated AMD GPU will be named Exynos 9925. With the performance expected to outperform Qualcomm's Snapdragon 888's Adreno 660. As usual, this year we will also see the Snapdragon 888 Plus version, and the CPU performance will be more powerful than the Snapdragon 888. Qualcomm will mass-produce the Plus version of the commercial